Okay, so they said find the direction of the resultant vector of west of north from part 1. So you just rewrite all your information. You write -5, 1.7, and 5.28. Then what you do is you look at what angle they want. See, when they say direction, they don't actually want a direction like north or south. They want the angle. So what you do is you find which angle they want. So if it's west of north, we'll consider that. This is north, so west of north is west of this. So that means until it hits the vector, that means they want this angle right there. So now we're just going to do some trig to find that angle. So I'm just going to shift this up to make this a triangle, and then we can start some trig. So I just chose tangent. You can actually choose sine, cosine, or tangent. It's your preference for this because we have numbers for all of them. So I'm going to do inverse of tangent because we're not finding a side, we're finding an angle. So I'm going to do inverse of tangent, opposite over adjacent. So it's going to be -5 over 1.7. But in your calculator, it's going to look like this. So you plug it in like that, and you get -71.2 degrees. Now here's the thing. Whenever you get an answer, always stop and think about it. You can't have a negative degree here. So you just take away that negative sign and just make it a positive. So always in physics, always look for what does this answer really mean? So you can't really have a negative question, a negative degree. So you make it positive, because if you left it as negative, they might count it wrong. So always think about it. The other thing is sig figs. They'll usually tell you how many sig figs to use, or if they don't tell you, you can use the problem. But if the problem is unclear, like 5, I mean, you could write it out to 0.0 or 0.00. So 3 sig figs is usually the norm. So 3 sig figs is usually a good guess. Otherwise, just confirm with the professor or teacher to specify exactly how many sig figs they want from a question. So I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.